should be here any minute. I'm so excited.
Me too, Mom. We have so many fun adventures planned for today.
Hey guys!
Assistant!
I couldn't wait to come over. Now what's the plan?
We have so many fun things planned for today. We sure do, honey. Now, do you think you could watch Jack just for a second while we get some things together?
You bet! Jack, you're so cute. Oh, Jack. No! Oh, Jack. Not again! Jack, what are you doing back there? Oh, do you want a num-num cookie? Oh, okay. Let me ask your mom. Mrs. Elastigirl, can Jack have a num-num cookie?
Sure, honey, he can have a nom-nom cookie.
Okay, Jack. Here you go. Did you like that, Jack? Come on, Jack. We should get back. They're probably waiting for us. Oh no, Jack. What's wrong? Okay, Jack. You want another num-num cookie? Let me ask. Mrs. Elastigirl, can Jack have another num-num cookie?
Yes, sweetheart, he can, but just one more.
Okay, Jack. Just one more. Okay, Jack. Now let's go. No, Jack. No more num-num cookie. Jack, please, we have to go. Jack, stop that right now. Ah! Oh no, Jack, you're a giant. No, Jack, no more. Oh no, I'm tiny.
Jack, what have you done? Oh, absolutely not, son. You are in big trouble. Jack, what are you doing?
Jack, no!
Oh no, Jack, you turned us into monsters.
Oh no, Mom. Jack's getting sleepy.
I know, Dash, honey. Jack, you better change us back before you go to sleep. Oh no! It's impossible to wake Jack up when he's big like this.
What are we gonna do?
Hey, Mom. What if we call the PJ Masks? They have transforming towers. Maybe they can help us.
Violet, honey, that's such a great idea.
Awesome, Violet. I can give them a call. Where's the phone? Oh no! Can you guys help me up there?
You got it, assistant.
Oh no! Perfect. PJ Masks, we need your help. Hurry! Thank you guys for coming and bringing your transforming tower.
What's going on?
It's a long story, sweetheart, but basically Jack didn't get enough nom-noms, so he changed us into monsters and the assistant small.
Well, let's see if our transforming tower will change you guys back. Yeah, jump in, Mr. Incredible. Oh no, Mom, it didn't work. Oh no, guys, Mrs. Elastigirl, you try. Oh no, I don't know what to do.
Look, Jack's waking up.
Jack, honey.
Oh no, he's scared. He thinks you're a monster.
Oh no, sweetheart, it's Mommy. You changed us to monsters, don't you remember? Okay, sweetheart, we're ready. Change us all back.
Woo! Thanks, Jack. People at home, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Hi, people at home. Welcome back to our
channel. We have something super fun today. We are gonna put different characters into the transforming tower. Right now we have Marshall and Everest and Sky. How about we add big magic? Woohoo! I can't wait to see what happens. Whoa! They're huge! Look at Marshall! Adding that big magic made him gigantic! Woohoo! And look at Sky! Whoa! Wow, adding big magic made everyone so huge! Let's play again! Okay, this should be fun. We have Owlette, Catboy, and Gecko. And now let's add a little bit of magic. Woohoo! Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, so cool! They're all teeny. Whoa, look at Owlette. She's all teeny. This is so cool. Okay, people at home, let's see what happens if we add a lot of big magic to Owlette and Gecko and just plain old big magic to Catboy. Okay, let's see what happens. Whoa, so cool! Catboy just got back to his normal size, but look how huge Owlette and Gecko are. Whoa, that's super extra big magic make them super extra big. All right, let's play again. Okay, people at home, this should be fun. We have a teeny little Catboy. How about we add big magic and triple magic? Okay, big magic, here we go. And now triple magic. 1, 2, 3. Oh, people at home, do you have any idea what's gonna happen? Let's see. Whoa, look at this. Not only did Catboy grow to his normal size, we have 1, 2, 3 of them. Whoa, we added big magic and triple magic, and this is what we got. So cool. All right, let's play again. Okay, people at home, we have our friends Shimmer and Shine. Let's add big magic. Ooh, can't wait to see what happens. Look at that. Shimmer and Shine got so much bigger, and it looks like Shine's having a little bit of trouble fitting inside the transforming tower. But wow, look at them. They're so big. I wonder what happens if we add even bigger magic. Oh, let's see what happens. Whoa, no way! They're huge! Wow, Shimmer, you grew a ton with that ginormous magic. And look at you, Shine. Wow. People at home, look how big they got. That's so cool. All right, let's play again. Okay, people at home, time for some bad guy magic. Let's put Romeo in Owlette's transforming machine. And we'll put Luna Girl in Catboy's transforming machine. And we'll put a teeny little night ninja in Gecko's transforming machine. If he's super teeny and Luna Girl's medium size, and look at Romeo small, I wonder what happens if we just add 1 shot of big magic. Let's do it. Woohoo! All right, let's see what happens. Whoa, look at this! The teeny little night ninja just turned into a small little night ninja. Whoa, that's cool. And look, Luna Girl, she looks like pretty normal size. Whoa, that big magic did make her bigger though. And let's see, look at Romeo. He also got bigger. Who should we do next? I have an idea. Dun-dun! Here we go! People at home, we have a special guest. It's the assistant. And look how teeny she is. Let's add a little big magic to see what happens. Whoa, people at home, look! She's bigger! That's awesome! Whoa, assistant, Okay, people at home, what happens if we add a little bit more big magic? Okay, I'm excited to see what happens. Whoa! The assistant is huge! Whoa, assistant, you're taller than the trees! Wow, people at home, that was so much fun! We really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Hey there, everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!